I think we got our first Mercedes Sprinter in 2009, and they just keep going, you know, at time after time after time. And we can get up to about 200 to 250,000 miles out of Mercedes Sprinter. It's still like new, you know, they're just fantastic. So we've been using you since then. Yeah, never any issues, nothing's ever too much trouble. The guys are always willing to help. Yeah, just fantastic. Just the best brand we've had, really.
Probably we have 30 vans now, all Mercedes Sprinters. We were in charge of like the maintenance of the vans. You know, if something goes wrong, I can phone up Mercedes in Tresillian. We pay for 100 services a year, and we try and service them maybe between 25 and 30,000. All the MOTs are done Mercedes, all the services are done Mercedes. If anything happens, we know we can phone up Mercedes straight away. You know, they'll either come out and pick it up for us if we can't, or if we can, we will take it down to them. I personally, I know I can phone up any time of the day, and he'll always try to fit me in, get and get the van back within the same day, which is great for us, because you know we need the vans on the road.
And it's been that since day one. So it's been very much a case of for the fish to be caught, landed, and then delivered to the chefs within 24 hours of it being on the market. Working with all the different markets, all the different fishermen, gathering it all here, selling it, prepping it, driving it.
The way I look at it, we supply the best fish to the best chefs with the best vans.
The team at Flying Fish are just some of the LCV customers we have the pleasure of working with here at Mercedes-Benz South West. We are proud to support them and their business by keeping their vans on the road. If you'd like to speak to us about the approved pre-owned options we have available, or perhaps speak to our service teams to find out how we can support you and your vans, then get in touch today. From sales to service and everything in between, we're here for you. We are Mercedes-Benz South West.